looking to swap pasta with vegetables or breathe new life into old dishes, our spiralizer can take just about any fruit or vegetable and turn it into noodles, ribbons, and chips. Let's get started. The spiralizer features a strong hold suction cup. Flip the gray lever down to engage it. This will secure the spiralizer to the counter to prevent wobbling and moving while you work. Our spiralizer comes with 3 blades: a spaghetti cut blade, which makes 1/8 inch noodles, a fettuccine cut blade, which makes 1/4 inch noodles, and a ribbon cut blade, which makes long ribbons or individual slices. Color coding makes it easy to grab just the right one. Let's start with the spaghetti cut blade, which is great for creating vegetable noodles or spirals for salad garnishes. Simply rotating the crank makes beautiful curly zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles, that you can use for a variety of delicious dishes and as pasta replacements. You can also use it to create strips of potato that are great for hash browns and potato pancakes. The 1/4 inch blade creates thicker spirals. Forget the food processor. You can spiralize cabbage for coleslaw or sweet potatoes for sweet potato salad, and more. If you've ever tried to dice a butternut squash by hand, you'll appreciate how easy this is to do with the spiralizer. The ribbon blade is perfect for making fun desserts, beautiful garnishes, and uniform slices. You can make onion slices for salads, apple chips, and even delicious desserts like an apple cake. Cleanup and storage is a breeze. Everything is dishwasher safe, and the blades store on board. Whether you're looking for a tasty, healthy alternative to pasta or just a fun way to create new dishes, delicious meals are just a twist away with our OXO Good Grip Spiralizer. Here's a good tip. Go a step further and replace your rice with cauliflower. Use a chopstick to keep it stable while you spiralize, and you can use the end result for fried rice, risotto, and more.
If you're an espresso or French press aficionado, you may wish to adjust the factory setting of the burrs to provide optimum performance for your style of brewing. First, empty the bean hopper and allow the burr grinder to run for a few seconds to clear the hopper completely by flipping the power switch up. If desiring maximum grind fineness for espresso, turn the grind control dial to level 8. Or, to achieve maximum grind coarseness for French press brewing, turn the grind control to level 1. Next, using a 4mm Allen wrench or hex head screwdriver, remove the screw from the front of the grind control dial by turning counterclockwise. Pull the dial from the grinder to expose the grind control gear. For maximum grind fineness, flip the power switch up to turn on the grinder and turn the grind control gear clockwise 1 click at a time until you hear a grating or rubbing sound. Once the gears are touching, turn the grind control gear 1 click counterclockwise. Or, for maximum grind coarseness, you don't need to turn the burr grinder on while adjusting the burrs. Turn the grind control gear counterclockwise instead for maximum grind coarseness 1 click at a time until the gear offers a little resistance and the clicking sound diminishes. Flip the power switch off and reattach the grind control dial. Be sure the dial points to 8 if you adjust it for fineness, or 1 for coarseness. It's important to note, if your burr grinder makes a grating noise during use, readjust the burrs immediately, as it indicates the burrs were not adjusted properly and damage will result.
Cooker from Tower, the efficient, hassle-free way to produce beautiful, succulent food. You can steam, braise, saute or pot roast up to 70% faster than conventional cooking methods. A unique twist locking system allows you to remove the lid using only one hand, and the 24-hour keep warm function means you can have your meal when you're ready. Simple to use presets allow one-touch operation, and the digital display means you can cook meals with precision. The removable non-stick cooking pot means you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time cleaning.
Hello, today I have the VitaBlend, a multi-blender and nutrient extraction system from Tower. Now this amazing bit of kit comes fully equipped with a 21-piece accessory set, making it one of the most versatile things in your kitchen. This powerful blender will make light work of most kitchen tasks, but what makes this blender different is its combination of toughened stainless steel blades, high torque motor, and incredible speed. And that means it can extract all the goodness found not just in fruit and veg, but also in things like seeds, stems, and skins, breaking up the parts so fine that you won't even know they're there, but you're going to gain all those nutritional benefits. So in here I put a banana, some ice, splash of orange juice, and some fresh strawberries. A quick tip for you: when using the VitaBlend, make sure you leave things like the pips and the tops on your fruit for extra nutrients and fibre. So all we've got to do is give it a quick blast. Well, as you can see, the blades have made light work of those ingredients, extracting all of that goodness. But another great thing is that you can blend and drink from the same cup, meaning less washing up, which is always a bonus. With 21 attachments, there's so much the VitaBlend can do. You can blend milkshakes, mix dips and pestos, extract juice, chop your vegetables. You can even whip cream, grind coffee, puree baby food, and grate cheese and chocolate, plus so much more. And it comes in a variety of colours, so it's going to look great in your kitchen. Now sometimes we all need a bit of a quick pick-me-up, and that's when nothing beats a frappe. So in here I've put some ice, a shot of espresso, a load of milk, and a bit of my own favourite treat, some chocolate sauce. All we've got to do then is give it a quick whir. With its extended 3-year guarantee, the VitaBlend will be part of your nutritious and tasty lifestyle for years to come. So if you want a versatile blender that can also extract all the goodness from your food, then the VitaBlend multi-blender from Tower is for you.
Cook fluffy Belgian waffles at your restaurant with the Carnival King Double Belgian Waffle Maker. It features 2 independently operating sides with non-stick 180-degree rotating grids, so you can cook 2 waffles at once and produce up to 14 waffles per hour. Each side has 1,300 watts of heating power, and the temperature is easily adjustable up to 570 degrees Fahrenheit. A green light on the unit lets you know when it is powered on, while an orange light indicates when it is heating up. It comes with a convenient 5-minute audible timer, so you can set the time, close the baker, and carry on with other kitchen tasks. The heavy base and non-skid feet ensures that this unit will stay in place when in use. Make the most of your counter space with a dual-sided design of this Carnival King Belgian Waffle Maker. It requires a 120-volt electrical connection, comes with 2 cords, and NEMA 515 plugs, and is sleek